I work for the European Association of Science Editors. I'm the secretary of the association. We're like a membership organisation, sort of professional editors in scholarly and scientific publishing. We have about 600 members across the globe. We provide, the usual sort of professional association services like training, networking, advocacy, sort of opportunity, conferences, events, courses, training, all that sort of thing. We have two sort of like workshop type courses. They're sort of 8 modules, which are done in 2 blocks of 4. So it's like 1 module a week for 4 weeks, and then in the spring, and then similar in the autumn. So it's a fairly simple course. It's like 2.5 hours of workshop, and lecture and discussion and breakout groups and so on. And then at the end of the 4 workshops, we prepare a quiz which just kind of tests the understanding of the people who have taken the course. So, it's just a way of sort of stepping through a confirmation of your understanding, and it gives them an opportunity to get a certificate for, to show that they've understood and they've taken it on board, and that they've done that. So they have it as an open book exercise. We do lots of webinars and courses and things, and people get like a certificate of attendance. Like I can tell that I know that they've attended, but I don't know whether they were, especially online, you don't know whether people are actually at their desks when they attend. This provided like a quick and simple, fairly easy way of doing something without it costing a lot and without it being a huge amount of effort.